how's it going? Today I'm going to go over a scary monster face. It's just kind of an expression. I've done a bunch of these, by the way, so go check out. I think there's a playlist of them as well. But yeah, it's just a scary monster face. I find that people really like the aesthetic to it. It's real simple as well, because it's just the eyes and the mouth and sometimes the nose. But all right, let's jump into it, okay? If you're a beginner, you will be able to do this. It's a short video, very short, so stay to the end. Let's get started. Before I do that, don't forget to hit the subscribe and click the bell notification if you like learning to draw, if you like learning to draw various things. I'm here to teach you, so reach out to me, really honestly, reach out to me in the comments. I reply to every single comment. So, all right, let's get going. First thing I'm gonna go down here. It's gonna be angry face, so it's gonna have a furrowing of the eyebrows here. Furrowing of the eyebrows is a pinch in. Go up. Right there, go up here. I'm gonna pull a line out over here for the actual eye. That's more just kind of the angry brow. Pull a line over here, down, up, pull a line out, down, up. So now you get two eyes with the furrowing eyebrows, and we're gonna draw some skin in the middle here, because that tends to happen when you're furrowing your eyebrows, like really tensing them. And there tends to be like a fold right here. I forget what the muscle is, but there's a muscle that bends right there. You see this bend in that area. So what I'm gonna do as well is I'm gonna pull this line, trail it up here, pull it up over here, pull it up over here, line over here, line over here. And I'm gonna find the eye, the iris and pupil right there. Iris and pupil right there. Line over here. Line over here. And I'm gonna add some folding in here with the eye, like downward here. Right here for the bag of the eye. Same thing over here on this side for the bag of the eye. And right here on the sides of the eye right there. And what you could do is you could add some crow's feet outward on both eyes, crow's feet. And what I'm going to do here now is I'm going to make edge of the smile. I want the smile to be really high up here. And I'm going to pull down here, over here, pull up. Let's give you that smile. Down for the side of the mouth here, down side of the mouth, down over here, curve up. All right. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna create the sharp teeth right here, and the sharp teeth are, I'm just kind of going in here all the way up, line over here, line over here, down over here, line over there. And I'm gonna add it right here for the eyelid. See, every little line I'm adding is just giving it a little bit more detail. And it kind of adds to the overall image. And that's kind of where we're at with this right here. Pulling over here for under the lip, up. Every little thing adds to the overall image. And so that's what's kind of good about it. Right, these little lines, these little flicks right here, everything is these small touches. And the thing is, you can kind of, do it as much as you want. I can wrap around here around the lip, maybe a line under the lip here, around this side, under the lip here, side over here on the right side, over here, more folds. All of these are like within the range of like detail, right? And so that's kind of what's going to add to the picture. You can add right here a gum line. See right here, like on the teeth. I'm using a thinner line to draw where the teeth are attaching to the gums. And that's gonna, you know, give it a better impression as well. And so maybe his the lips right here have like, you know, like a thickness to them, but maybe they also cast a shadow onto the gum line inside the mouth. So I would draw like right here, I'd pull the side of the marker here, and I draw a little bit thicker of a line there so that it looks like it has that kind of look. It gives it a little bit of depth when you do that. You can even do it on the bottom a little bit, because there is a fold to it, but I wouldn't do it as heavy. Right, or you can do it right here below the lip line right here, make that line a little bit thicker. And you could also make even the eyelids here a little bit thicker too, to give it a little bit more of a focus on there, in case that you find that goes away. You can throw out more lines here. The whole thing is, this is almost called like detail, the tutorial. Like the whole thing is very simple, but the devil's in the details, right? Have you heard that? The real meat of it is in the details, and that's really what makes it come to life. I hope this is interesting for you. If it was an interesting tutorial, it's a little bit different than I normally do. If it was interesting, please hit the like, and also hit the share if you can. That helps out the channel. I could throw a line over here. So this lesson was almost more about details than it was the effect of details than, you know, the drawing itself. But I mean, it is a drawing lesson, and everything you learn, it kind of brings you closer into drawing what you want to draw. So you just have to like really, just kind of really, you know, concentrate on what you want to do, and you have that love and passion for it, and it will come true, you know. So hopefully that's what this did. But thank you so much. I appreciate it. Like I said, if you want to help the channel out, share this video with a friend. There's a lot of stuff in the description that'll make you a better artist, so go check that out. And that's it. Thank you so much. I will see you next time, and I will talk to you very, very soon. And that is all, okay? I want to thank you very much. Remember, when you're doing all this stuff, keep it enjoyable. Just kind of focus on the enjoyment of drawing. And when you do that, it makes it easy, okay? So I want you to keep it easy when you do that, and keep it enjoyable, all right? Talk to you later, and I'll see you very, very soon. See ya.